Hello people, this is Nidhi from Edulix powered by Science Adda. Hope all of you are doing well. And in today's episode, I have brought you a very exciting experiment. The name of the experiment is Oxygen Candle Burning Experiment. So first we are going to do the experiment and then we are going to talk about what did we see and what does that imply. So what do we need for the experiment? We need a plate in which some amount of colored water is there, and we need a candle that is placed over the plate and it is lit. We need a glass vessel. It can be a glass or an empty glass container so that we can observe the candle through it. So let's start. So first we are going to place this glass vessel upon the candle. Observe what happens. As you can see, as soon as we place the glass vessel above the candle went off. And the second thing that happened is, we'll zoom on to this. The level of the water inside the container rose above the level of water outside the container. So why did it happen? So when we place a glass container or any container over a burning candle, the passage of the oxygen towards the candle gets blocked. And as we all know that things require oxygen to burn, and if we cut off the supply of oxygen to a burning object, it stops from burning. Secondly, why did the level of water rise inside the container? So there is this property of air that it wants to maintain the air pressure. So as soon as the oxygen inside the container got consumed in burning, and CO2 liberated inside the container was not enough to compensate for the loss, there was loss of air pressure inside the container. So there is difference of air pressure outside the container and inside the container now. So to maintain and to compensate the air pressure, some of the water seeped into the container so that air pressure inside the container is equal to air pressure outside the container. Hope you like the video. You can also post your videos on Instagram and Facebook and tag us at @Edulix to show us other experiments that prove that burning requires oxygen and air has this property of maintaining air pressure. Also, you can write in comment section if you want us to perform any experiment or if you want us to work around any topic of your interest. So, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Edulix. Bye until next time.